I'm back. Made another one. Little rubber band powered bamboo skewer, 3D printed plastic bottle cut polyhedral T-tail stabilizer rubber band powered airplane. Unfortunately, it was way too windy to try to fly this thing, and I already broke it once test gliding it, the prop, so I don't think I'll be trying to fly it in here. However, I can wind it up and let you all see the prop spin about. I think I've only really tried to get like, what, 80 winds on this thing. Yeah, I'm not counting. Wouldn't that suck if it snapped? It hasn't snapped this whole time. But then again, I only built it this morning. I feel like I'm pushing my luck. Alright, let's see what it does. I could have got more winds if I would have stretched it out. Added a little bit of weight right here. It's a little bit left wing tail heavy. I'm not well versed on these free flight models. I just made up a design I thought would work alright. And I was able to get one glide out there before the wind really started picking up, and it seems promising. But I really didn't wind it up because I didn't want it to end up in a tree, especially with all that wind going. Alrighty. Yep. That's what it be.